Find the perimeter of quadrilateral KLMN. Find the area of triangle KLM and the area of triangle MNK. What is the area of quadrilateral KLMN? Use the diagram below. So we have given here quadrilateral KLMN. We see that when we fold a sheet of paper along of x-axis, we will see that the point LNM, because has coordinates 0 and 3, 0 and negative 3, are symmetric. Point L and N will cover each other. And when you fold a sheet of paper along of y-axis, points K and M cover each other too. We see that when we fold a sheet of paper along of y-axis, the segment KL and LM will cover each other, and KN and NM which cover each other. And when you fold this sheet of paper along x-axis, again we have that KL we will cover KN and LM will cover NM. So we can say that we have here regular quadrilateral. So the sides are equal. So we can write that segment KL is equal to LM and MN is equal to NK. Or you can write KN, it doesn't matter. So we have regular quadrilateral. So now to find the perimeter, we need to find distance around this quadrilateral. So we need only to find only one segment because they are equal. So to find the distance between 2 points, we have coordinates of these points. We can use point K, L, or L, M, or M, N, or N, K. It doesn't matter which segment we use. The distance will be the same. So let's put that we will find the distance of segment can be KL. We will use formula. Let me remind you, when we have 2 points, this is first coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we have to find the square root of in first parenthesis we have x2 minus x1 to second power plus y2 minus y1 to second power. So this is equal. We have square root of x2 is 0, 0 we have minus negative 4 to second power, close parenthesis, plus, and we have y2 is 3 minus 0. 3 minus y1 is 0 to second power. So this is equal. We have square root of 0 minus negative 4. So negative and negative give me positive. So we have 4 to second power is 16 plus, and we have 3 to second power is 9. So this is equal square root of 25. So this is 5. We have distance of segment KL because these segments are the same. So now to find the perimeter of quadrilateral KLMN, perimeter of quadrilateral KLMN, we need to multiply this distance by 4 because we have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 times KL segment. So if this is 4 times 5, so this is equal 20 units. Now we have to find the area. First, the area of triangle KLM. Because we see that the points K and M are symmetric about y-axis, so the distance from point, let's put that this is point O and has coordinates 0, 0, from K to O is 4 because the first coordinate is -4, so we have to take absolute value of -4, so this is 4 units. And on the other side, from O to M, first coordinate is 4, so is 4, 2. This distance is 4. So we have the base of our triangle KLM. The base of triangle KLM is equal, we can say, to the base of triangle MNK. MNK. So let's put that this is base of triangle MNK and is equal 4 plus 4, so this is 8 units. We have the base, and now to find the area of triangle we need the height. Let's see first for triangle KLM. The height is from point O to L. Because the second coordinates of point L is 3, it means that our height is equal 3 units. And because we see that point L and N is symmetric about x-axis, because we have coordinates 0, -3 and 0, 3. So when we fold this sheet of paper along of x-axis, these points L and N will cover each other. So we have that the height of triangle MNK is absolute value of -3 is 3. So this is our height, the same like OL segment. Now ON is 3, 2. So I use the same letter H. So we can write that height of triangle KLM is equal to height of triangle MNK and is equal 3 units. We have base, we have height. So now to find area of our triangle KLM, because we have the same base and the same height, so we can write that the area of triangle KLM is equal to area of triangle MNK, and this is equal 1/2 formula for area of triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So this is equal 1/2. B is equal 8 units times height is equal 3 units. So we have 2 and 8 we can reduce. So we have 4 times 3 is 12. And of course, because we have area, so will be square units. You can put in brackets. And now we have to find the area of quadrilateral KLMN, because we found the area KLM triangle and MNO, they are the same. The area of quadrilateral KLMN will be the sum of areas triangle KLM and MNK. So we can write that the area of quadrilateral KLMN is equal area of triangle KLM plus area of triangle MNK. These areas are the same, so we have to put just that this is 2 times area. You can put triangle KLM or MNK, it doesn't matter because they are the same. So let's put KLM. So we have 2 times area KLM is 12 square units. So this is equal 24 square units. This is my solution.